Hello students. Now let us take chapter 37 of your grammar book, which is again a writing section, short story writing. Okay, so what is short story writing? Writing short stories with your own imagination or with the provided plot to you. You have to make a story out of it, a short story. This is known as short story writing. Okay. Short story writing, chapter 37. See, all of us love stories. We love to hear them, read them, and tell them. Telling a story or writing a story is quite simple if we follow certain basic rules. While writing a short story, it is a good idea to keep in mind the following points. So while writing a story, you have to remember a few of the points. Let's go through them one by one. Have a clear theme. Theme means whatever story you are going to write about, whatever the theme of that story is, the essence of that story is, should be clear. What is the story about? That doesn't mean what is the plot, the sequence of events or the characters' actions. It means what is the underlying message or idea that you want to convey through your story. Get this right and your story will really interest the reader. That means उसका क्या theme है, क्या plot है. अब कोई सा भी story बना रहे हैं तो किस चीज़ पे है, helping पे है या कोई moral values है, कुछ ideas है उसमें, वो एक चीज़ उसमें clear होनी चाहिए. Okay. Next is don't have too many characters. While writing a short story इसलिए इसमें बहुत सारे characters की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can have only 2 to 3 characters. That is more than sufficient. Okay. Each new character will bring a new dimension to the story, and for an effective short story, too many diverse dimensions will dilute the theme. Have only enough characters to effectively illustrate the theme. अब कैरेक्टर्स को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा भी कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होने चाहिए. 2 or 3 आर इनफ. वाई? क्योंकि कैरेक्टर्स सिर्फ उतने ही होने चाहिए जिनका स्टोरी में कुछ रोल है. ओके, सो यू नीड नॉट टू पुट एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर्स इनटू इट जस्ट टू लेंथन the writing, the composition, the story composition which you are writing. So that is why it is called as short story writing, because you need to have very few characters in it. तो अगर बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स बढ़ दिए तो उसका थीम और उसका एसेंस और पूरा इंटरेस्ट रीडर विल लूज. नेक्स्ट, मेक एवरी वर्ड काउंट. There is no room for unnecessary expansion in a short story. If each word is not working towards putting across the theme, delete it. That means unnecessary, unwanted sentences should not be added into that story. Okay, wherein you are giving some extra information about someone or something, you need not to do that. Okay, try to be very precise, because what we are doing, we are writing short story writing. Okay, not long but short story writing. So that is why you have to be very careful when you are selecting the words, and you need not to give unnecessary ideas or description about something. Okay, focus. The best stories are the ones that follow a single idea. Do not have many plots and subplots in your story. Just like as in we are talking about some prose or long stories, उसमें क्या रहता है, there are many characters. Okay, and due to because of many characters, you keep on shifting your focus from the मेन कैरेक्टर से बार बार आपका फोकस हटता जाएगा अननेसेसरीली, एंड उसके कारण क्या आपके एक के बाद एक उसी के अंदर इंटरनल सब स्टोरीज बनती रहेंगी. सो यू नीड नॉट टू डू दैट इन शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटिंग. एंड लास्ट इज प्लान. मेक अ blueprint or jot down the ideas before starting the story. Create a clear setting so that the reader can picture in his or her mind the place where the action takes place. That means you, whenever you have got some idea of writing a story in your mind, first jot them down on a piece of paper कि क्या क्या आइडियाज आ रहे हैं स्टोरी को लेके, एंड देन लेटर ऑन उनको प्रॉपरली अरेंज करके start preparing your story. Okay, so these are the few things, these are the 5 things which you have to keep in mind while working with short story writing. Now, first question, write an original short story that ends with the words, and I knew that day that I would never forget the lady of my life. So over here you have to write one story जिसका ending line कुछ ऐसा हो, and I knew that day that I would never forget the lady of my life. अब इससे क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि in this story we have to take one lady who, मतलब उसका कुछ ऐसा रोल रहा है कि मतलब बाद में वो रोल खत्म होने के बाद में ओके इसका एक इम्पैक्ट रह गया है आपके ऊपर, दैट यू कैन नॉट फॉरगेट दैट लेडी. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू एंड विद द सेंटेंस. So over here your short story should have a setting, that is it should be clear in the story what kind of place the story is set in, whether it is near the beach, the mountains, in a village or in a city. The story should have at least 2 characters, कम से कम main 2 characters तो होने ही चाहिए. Okay, the story should describe a problem and come up with the solution. There should be some problem. हर story में क्या होता है, पहले कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, क्लाइमैक्स आता है एंड देन इट एंड्स अप विथ हैप्पी एंडिंग. सो सिमिलरली यू हैव टू डू इन दिस वे. सो वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू आंसर, द सैम्पल आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, copy that sample in your classwork copy, writing section classwork copy, and out of which now you will be remaining with 4 rest of the other 4 questions, wherein in third question you can see there is a paragraph being given to you, you have to continue about it. Then in fourth, develop the following outline into a short story. You have been given some hints, some points to add up in the story, and with the help of that you can write a short story. And other is a picture over here, you can see. Looking at this picture, try creating a story based on this picture. So out of remaining 4, you have to write any one of your choice in writing section copy. Okay, that's it with short story writing. Thank you.